Hi, my name is Ainur. The autumn season is back and I have some seasonal crafts for you. In this video I will show you how to make paper mushrooms, acorns, and what goes into designing simple patterns like leaves. I also have a cute squirrel for some flat surface compositions. And I would like also to challenge myself and redesign my chrysanthemum flower. It was one of my first flowers that I made out of paper and cut on Cricut. It looks nice, but I would like to improve it. Let's begin. I designed patterns to make 3D paper flowers, and in this video I will explain how to design simple 2D shapes like leaves and a squirrel. I've created all these items last autumn. I will make separate videos explaining how to put the ready cut templates into a finished mushroom and acorn. But let's have a look at the creative process of making them. Here is a progression of the mushroom. In the top was the very first trial of the idea, a quick cut with scissors. Then I moved to drawing templates in lines in Adobe Illustrator. And my first template cut on Cricut worked out well. After, I've made some readjustments to make sure the paper doesn't tear and the stem of the mushroom is thicker. And now the templates were ready to cut in color. All the mushrooms look alike. That's the beauty of crafting with templates. You can make multiple items of the same thing. Acorn is quite complex to put together. It has a lot of things to bend to give it a texture and a shape. But the result is beautiful, and it's made out of only 2 pieces of color paper. Let me show you where I started. The first hand-cut trial looks a bit crude, but it gave me a chance to test the idea. After that, I drew the first pattern in Illustrator. And on that first model, I drew small triangular texture with the pencil, which I later added in the program. Here I also came up with an idea of how to put the 2 paper parts together. It's something like a spring to make the nut pop in and out of the cap. And the final templates are ready to cut in color. Matched with the oak leaves, the acorns look pretty. But we don't stop here. Let's add some magic to them and cut the acorns in gold. Now I will show you how to draw something that is not a 3D shape. I have 5 types of leaves. For the autumn leaves, it was important to use all the vibrant autumn colors. One color simply cannot create the beauty of the autumn. And here is a 2D squirrel. I start by drawing on paper. Some leaves I make symmetrical, so I will use only a half of the drawing, which I mirror to make a complete leaf in the program. I also add veins to each leaf, which I later scored on Cricut. From paper drawing I moved to iPad to redraw the lines to make vector designs in Adobe Illustrator. Here is how the drawing of the paper translated into line design cut on Cricut. Once my designs are ready, I group them by color and import the SVG file into Cricut Design Space. I select Score operation for the veins, which are pressed with the rotating end on the machine, the scoring wheel. A quick change of the tool back to the fine point blade to cut out all the outlines of each leaf. And we are ready to play and decorate. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, stay creative!